AliExpress, the best online shop in the world. Anyone can buy or sell products here. And if you're a seller with your own website, then you're in luck. You can fetch all the reviews that you got in your AliExpress account directly to your website. Let's show you how you can do that. First of all, head over to WPManageNinja dashboard. Click AliExpress here, drop the link to one of your products here and click Save. Once successfully done, it will show you a pop-up notification. When configuration is done, let's move on to the next part, creating a perfect template. Just click Create a Template here. It will take you to the Template tab, where you will have tons of options to play with. All the options are divided in two sections, General and Style. These two options will let you decide how your reviews will show up on your website. First, let's see what you can do with the General section. The first thing you will be shown in General is Source. We already have AliExpress chosen. You can add more if you want. Now, click on the template to choose from 9 different template styles. You can even change the layout type. Select how many columns of reviews you want to display. There is another option here. See the small desktop icon? You can change it to set up different settings for different devices such as mobile, tablet, or desktop. You can make it totally responsive. You can utilize the pagination to customize the layout even more. If you choose to select badge or slider, you will be offered additional options for your template. Here, you can customize how your reviews will look, if you choose to go with a badge or slider. Filters let you do exactly as it sounds. You can show or hide reviews based on certain words. You can even choose how many numbers of reviews you want to show on your website. It's also customizable for different devices. Want to hide reviews of a scammer or highlight the reviews of a happy customer? Do that with the Filter by Include or Exclude option. Say you have multiple products, you can filter your reviews based on a single product or multiple products. Just select the product or products and WPManageNinja will do the rest. Let's move on to settings now. Here you can decide whether you want to show ratings and in which rating style. See this list here? You can choose to show or hide every single one of these items. You have the option to make all your reviews the same height, trim reviews after certain words, and edit content type. The header options let you play with the header and customize it however you like. You can either display the header or choose to hide it if you want. There are so many options that you can customize here. Toggle the schema snippet button to reveal the settings. Add your business logo and your legitimate business name. Next up, you have to provide the business type following from the schema.org business type list, and also your phone number. Remember that this business type is crucial and the type must be inserted precisely as it has been shown on the list. Are you wondering what is this snippet and why should I use it? Well, the snippet thing is a powerful SEO tool to begin with, and it's free. It can help your website rank higher almost like a meta. So, why not utilize it to get the best outcome? Last up, add your fallback average rating and fallback total rating. Though, WPManageNinja will automatically gather the ratings if you don't include it. Once the general section has been done, let's move on to the style section. WPManageNinja lets you customize everything. You can redesign almost every aspect of your feed's appearance from the style option. You will find all the options once you toggle this to enable. And now, you can edit how the elements of all these options are gonna look. We start with the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color, typography, and spacing top of all these elements. Typography lets you customize the way each text will be shown to your viewers. It lets you change the style, weight, etc. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. All the elements are almost the same for every option except for the last few. The badges and notifications elements let you manipulate them however you like. On the other hand, you will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. Voila! Your AliExpress review page is done. Now you can show all the awesome reviews that you receive on your AliExpress product directly on your website. No hassle needed, easy, clean, and non-techy. To know more about WP Social Ninja plugin, make sure to subscribe to WP Manage Ninja and hit the bell icon.